Hello dear students, so welcome to this session of straight lines. So in the previous session we discussed the intersect form of a straight line and some applications of the intersect form. Intersect form x by a plus y b equal to 1, where a and b are in x-intercept and y-intercept respectively, and its applications. Just 3 or 4 problems we did on the same concept. So in this session we will learn about the different forms of the lines. The first one is point slope form, and second one is 2-point form, and some applications on these two concepts. Okay, now come to first one, point slope form. So now see slope intercept form, first one today. Slope intercept form of a line. The equation of this straight line with the slope m and passing to the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of the line. It have slope m and passing through point x1 y1. This is the important formula to find the equation of the line. Simplest form. Just simply we can find out the equation of line when the slope and point on the line are available. Okay, so now come to the proof. So for that, draw the diagram. So this is y-axis and x-axis intersecting at O. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. Suppose this is the position of the line. It is passing through some point A. Let us take the given point be A, capital A, x1, y1, and the equation of the line be L equal to 0. This is the position of the line. We have to find out the equation of this line, and its slope is m. So we know that if the 2 points lies on the line, we can find out the slope of the line. So let us take, let P x comma y be any point on the line. E is a locus point, general point on the line. So now observe that A and P are lies on the line. With the help of these two, we can find out the slope. Already we have given slope of the line is equal to m. Understand? So let P x comma y be any point on the given line, and let A is equal to x1 y1 be a point on the line. And given that slope of the line L equal to m. Here we have given that slope of the line is m, but here we have 2 points on the line. So we can find out the slope of the line by using the 2-point formula. See, if you know the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 on the line, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to slope of the line. Already given that slope of the line is m. Now m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's all. Understand? Now slope of the line L equal to 0 equal to m. This is equal to slope of AP. Slope of the L is nothing but slope of any line, any points lies on the line. Understand? Slope of AP equal to slope of L. Slope of L equal to m. Now we have to find out slope of AP. Slope of AP means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. Now from this we can write y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This represents the equation of this line. This represents this line. Understand? That means this is the equation of the line L equal to 0, which is passing through x1 y1 having the slope m. Here this equation contains slope of the line m and point to x1 y1. So this form of equation is called, this equation is called point slope form. It contains point x1 y1 and slope m. So this form of the equation of the line is called point slope form. Point slope form. This is the simplest form. Simply, if you know slope of the line m and point x1 y1 on the line, then we can find out the equation line with the help of this formula. This is very important one, important formula. Understand? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus m of x minus x1. Represent equation of the line which have slope m and passing through point x1 y1. That's it, right? Okay, so just one or two applications on this concept. So next, one of the application on the point slope form. Just observe the problem. Find the equation of straight line passing through point 3 comma minus 2 and having the inclination 135 degrees. Here the inclination of line is 135 degrees and it is passing through point 3 comma minus 2. So we have a formula. If you know slope and point, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here we have given point minus 3 comma 2. If suppose, just draw the figure. Suppose this is a line passing through some point minus 3 comma 2. Its inclination is 135. Inclination means with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, measured in anti-clockwise direction. This is the inclination. Here we have given that inclination is 135 degrees. That means theta equal to 135 degrees. X-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay, now we have to find out the equation of the line. Let us consider the given point be x1, y1. If you know slope m, by using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus y1, you can find out the equation of the line. Understand? So this is x1, y1. How can you write the slope of this line? So here theta is 135, it is inclination. If theta is inclination, tan theta is called slope. Already we discussed about it. So apply tan for this angle, we will get the slope of the line. So okay, now come to the solution. Given that theta equal to 135 degrees is the inclination of the required line. Now inclination of the required line is theta equal to 135 degrees. Slope of the required line equal to, slope of the line is equal to m is equal to tan 135 degrees. That means tan of 180 minus 45 degrees. That is equal to minus tan 45 degrees. That is equal to minus 1. Now slope of the line is equal to minus 1. It is passing through point 3 comma minus 2. Now equation of the line having slope m and passing through x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now equation of the line having slope m and passing through the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now slope m is equal to minus 1, point is minus 3 comma 2. Now the required equation is, passing through minus 3 comma 2 and having slope m is equal to minus 1 is y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 3. Just to simplify it, we will get a first degree equation x and y that represent a straight line, the required line. So y minus 2 is equal to minus x minus 3. Now from this we can write the required equation is x plus y minus 2 plus 3, that means plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line which is passing through point minus 3 comma 2 and having the inclination 135. If you know the inclination, you can find out the slope by using the tan. Here 135 is the inclination, tan 135 is the slope, that is minus 1, and passing through the point minus 3 comma 2, that means x1 y1 is minus 3 comma 2, slope m is minus 1. So this is the way how to find the equation of the line. Understand? Right. So see one more example. So now see this problem, second one. Find the equation of the straight line through the point a minus 1 comma 3 and parallel to the line joining of other two b and c. Suppose just draw the figure for first one. Suppose this is the given point. So already given that a, its name is minus 1 comma 3. The line is passing through this point and parallel to the line joining these two. So suppose this is the position of b, that is equal to 2 comma minus 5, and c 4 comma 6. This is the position of the line which is passing to these 2 points. This is our required line which is passing this point and parallel to this. That means these 2 lines are parallel lines. You know, if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Now here we have to find out the equation of this line. This is already passing to this point. Let us consider this point be x1 y1. So here the required thing is slope and point. Already point is there. So if you know the slope of this line m, you can write the equation of the line. How can you write the slope of this line? These two are parallel. We can find out the slope of BC. Understand? So here observe that clearly slope of the required line is m equal to slope of BC. Slope of the required line equal to slope of BC. Since BC is parallel to required line, if you take this required line is equal to some L equal to 0, so required line L equal to 0. Understand? These 2 lines are parallel, slopes are equal. We have to find out this line. So already it is passing through point. The required thing is slope. So this is parallel to this. Slope of BC equals slope of this. Therefore, slope of L is equal to slope of BC. Slope of L equal to 0 is equal to slope of BC. Slope of BC means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to 11 by 2. This is the slope of the line. Here slope of the line is equal to slope of BC. Now equation of the line L, the equation of the line L equal to 0, which is passing through point minus 1 comma 3 and having slope m is equal to 11 by 2. Okay, the equation of line L equal to 0 which is passing through this and having the slope m equal to 1 by 11 by 2 is y minus y1 by y1 minus y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That means y minus, let us take x1 y1. y1 is equal to m 11 by 2 into x minus of x1. So now from this we can write 2y minus 6 equal to 11x plus 11. This implies we can write 11x minus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. These two are parallel, that means slopes are equal. Slope of BC equals slope of required line. Slope of BC equal 11 by 2. This is equal slope of the required line. If you know slope and point, this is the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So 2y minus 6 equal to 11x plus 11. 11x minus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. Now come to second one. Find the equation of the line, right bisector of the line joining 1, 1 and 3, 5. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining 1, 1 and 3, 5. Suppose these are the positions of the 2 points. If suppose let us take the first point A be 1, 1 and second point be B, that is equal to 3, 5. We have to find out a line which is the right bisector of these two. Right bisector means the line which is perpendicular to AB and bisecting the AB. That means bisecting means it is passing through midpoint of AB and that is also perpendicular to AB. Here we have to find out the equation of this line. Let us take the required line equal to L equal to 0. We have to find out this equation with help of point slow form. So this is passing through this point. Let us take this point be D. Here D is the midpoint of AB, right bisector. That means this is line bisecting AB. That means it is passing through midpoint of AB. So here D is the midpoint of AB and it is perpendicular to AB. So now slope of the L equal to minus 1 by slope of AB. Okay. Let D be the midpoint of AB. Okay. D is equal to, what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to 4 by 2, comma 6 by 2. So D is equal to 2, 3. Okay, clearly this point lies on the required line L equal to 0. Now clearly L equal to 0 is perpendicular to AB. So slope of L equal to 0 is minus 1 by slope of AB. That is equal to minus 1 by slope of AB. How can you find the slope of AB? So just find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to 5 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 equal to 4 by 2. It is equal to. Now substitute slope of AB at this denominator, in this denominator. So it is equal to 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now slope of the required line is minus 1 by 2. Understand? Here you have to find out this line. This is right bisector of AB. That means it is perpendicular to AB and passing the midpoint of AB. This is the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Here let it be D. Okay, now we have to find out slope of L. This line is perpendicular to AB. Slope of L equals 0 is minus 1 by slope of AB because these two are perpendicular. So minus 1 by slope of AB. Slope of AB is 2. So this is the slope of the required line. Now the equation of this line passing through the point 2, 3 and having the slope minus 1 by 2. Now equation of L equal 0 passing through two, 3 and having slope m is equal to minus 1 by 2 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So just to simplify it, we will get an equation. So 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. From this we can write x plus 2y, x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Understand? Simple. We have to find out this line equation. This is passing through midpoint of AB. So these are the coordinates of midpoint of AB. It is perpendicular to AB. Slope of this line equal minus 1 by slope of AB. Slope of AB is 2. This is the required line slope. You know the slope and point. By using the point slope form, we can find out the equation. These are the applications of slope point form. Okay, next we will discuss 2-point form. So now see this theorem. 2-point form, the equation of straight line in 2-point form. Now the statement is the equation of the straight line passing through the 2 points A x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. We can read x minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to y minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Here observe that a line passing through 2 points. If you take any point on the line, suppose take first point x1 y1. Now with the help of 2 points you can find out the slope. Let us take that equal to m. Here we have slope m and point x1 y1. We can write the equation of line with the help of the point slope form. Understand? So by using the point slope form, we can derive the formula for the straight line with 2 points. So consider the y-axis and x-axis. Suppose this is the position of the line. These are the 2 points A and B. A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Let us take the equation of line VL. This is y-axis, the x-axis, this is origin. We have clear idea about the slope point form. If you know a point on the line and slope of the line, we can write the equation of the line. So consider, take one of the any 2 points. Suppose this is the first point. Clearly this line passing through this point. If you know slope of the line, you can find out the equation of line. With the help of these 2 points, you can find out the slope of the line AB. Slope of the line AB is nothing but slope of the line L. That's it. Here we have a point x1 y1 and slope m. We can take this point also. With the help of 1 point and slope of the line, we can write the equation of the line. So here I am using slope point form. So now come to the proof. The given points are A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. That the equation of the line passing through A, B, B, L. Let the equation of the line passing through A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is L. Let L equal 0 be the required line which is passing through A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Understand? So L is the required line which is passing through A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Slope of the line L equal to slope of the line AB. Slope of the line L equal 0 is equal to slope of AB. So let us take slope of line L equal to 0 be m and slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now here we have slope of the line L that equal to m. Now write down the equation of the line which is passing through x1 y1 and slope m, otherwise which is passing through x2 y2 and slope m. You can use any one of these 2 points. Now the equation of the line, equation of the required line L equal to 0 passing through x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Just replace m by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's all. Now the required equation becomes, just substitute slope value, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now from this we will get the equation of this line, this equation. So now from this, y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. This represents the equation of the line which passing through a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. This line equation contains the 2 points. So this form is called 2-point form. Here we are using 2 points to find the equation of the line. One is x1 y1 and another one is x2 y2. So this form of the equation is called 2-point form. Understand? So we can use 2-point form. Otherwise, after finding the slope of AB, we can use slope point form also. That is your wish. Understand? Right. So see 1 or 2 applications on this formula. So see this problem. Here we have given 3 points, vertices of a triangle. A minus 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 5 and C 10 comma 7. Just 3 points are given. Vertices of a triangle. Find the equation of, the first one is side AB and median 3A and altitude 3B. So for that, consider a triangle. A, B, C. So now A minus 5 comma 1, B 5 comma 5 and C 10 comma 7. These are the coordinates of the 3 points. So now first observe that. So what are the given points? Given that A is equal to minus 5 comma 1 and B is equal to 5 comma 5 and C is equal to 10 comma 7. These are the 3 vertices of the triangle ABC. Now first observe that the equation of the side AB. You have to find out the side AB. So this is the line passing through A and B. A equal to minus 5 comma 1 and B equal to 5 comma 5. That's all. So with the help of 2 points, 2-point form, we can find out the equation of AB. Now first one is the equation of AB. Here we have to use 2-point form. The equation of the line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus 1. 2-point form. Okay. The equation of the line passing through two points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to x minus x1. We can write this form also. This is nothing but 2-point form. If you simplify it, we will get y minus y1 into x2 minus x1, x minus x1 into y2 minus 1. That's it. Just let us take here the equation of AB is equal to equation of AB is equal to, so now take these 2 points here x1 y1 and x2 y2. Consider this equal to x1 y1 and this equal to x2 y2. Now substitute in this equation. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. That means 5 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5 into x minus x1, x plus 5. Just simplify it. It gives the equation of AB. by using the 2-point form. Okay, so here this implies y minus 1 is equal to 4 by 10 into x plus 5. So here 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. So from this you can write 5y minus 5. 5y minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. So now you can write 2x minus 5y plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line side AB. Okay, next come to second point, the median through A. So just observe the figure. Median through A means the line through A is also passing through midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose this is the midpoint of the opposite side. So if you join A and midpoint opposite side BC, it is called median. Let us take the median point of BC D. Here AD is called median. Median through A means median through A is a line which is passing through a midpoint of the opposite side BC. So now come to the second one, median through A. You have to find out median through A. So from the figure, median through A means it is passing through A and midpoint of BC. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Let D be the BC. So D with the midpoint of BC. This implies D is equal to midpoint of BC, x1 plus x2 by 2, 5 plus 10 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, 5 plus 7 by 2. These are the coordinates of the midpoint of BC, that is equal to D is equal to 15 by 2, comma, so 5 plus 7, 12 by 2, 6. 5 plus 10 by 2, okay, 5 plus 10 by 2, 5 plus 7 by 2, 15 by 2, 5 plus 7, 12 by 2, so 15 by 2 comma 6, this is the midpoint of BCD and we know the point A. Just equation of the line median through A is nothing but equation of AD. It is the line passing through 2 points. So again apply 2-point formula. Otherwise by finding the slope of this line and by using this point also we can write the equation. Okay, now equation of AD 2-point form. What is the 2-point form? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Just substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2. Let us take A. Here A minus 5 comma 1. Let us take this equal to x1 y1 and D 15 by 2 comma 6. Let us consider this point be x2 y2. Now substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 in this equation. We will get the median through AD. A. So y minus, what is y1? Here y1 is equal to 1. Y minus 1 is equal to y2 minus y1. 6 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 15 by 2 plus 5. X minus x1. What is x1? So here minus 5. X minus of minus 5 x plus 5. Just after simplification, we will get the required equation AD. Understands? Just take LCM, we will get the equation. Right? So just to simplify it, then here we can write y minus 1 is equal to 5 by 15 plus 10 by 2 into x plus 5. So 15 plus 25, 5 5 just 2 by 5 will get. So y minus y1 is equal to, so 5 by 15, 5 3, that means 2 by 3 into x plus 5. This implies we will get 3y minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 10. This implies 2x minus 3y plus 13 is equal to 0. This is the how to find the median through A. We can find out median through B, median through C also. Next, come to last one. What is the third problem? Here the third problem is the altitude through B. Just observe. Altitude through B means altitude through B is the line which is passing through B and perpendicular to the opposite side. Just draw the perpendicular from B to the opposite side. Just observe the figure. Let E be the foot of the perpendicular of B upon AC. Now B is called altitude through B. Okay, here we have to find out the equation of B. It is passing through point B and perpendicular to AC. If you know the slope of AC, we can find out the slope of B. So now come to this one. Let E be the foot of the perpendicular of B on AC. Clearly, PE is perpendicular to AC. Slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC because AC and BE are perpendicular. Now write down the slope of AC. So A is equal to minus 5 comma 1, C equal to 10 comma 7. Slope of AC equal to y2 minus y1. 7 minus 1 by 10 minus of minus 5, 10 plus 5. This is equal to minus 15 by 6. This is equal to 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja, minus 5 by 2. Slope of BE is equal to minus 5 by 2. Slope of B equal to minus 5 by 2 and point to this passing to this point. That means here to find the equation of BE, there are two required things. One is point and slope. Already slope is there, that is minus 5 by 2 and passing through 5 comma 5. Now equation of the altitude BE equal to the equation of the altitude BE is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is equal to y minus y1, y minus 5 is equal to m. M means minus 5 by 2 into x minus 5. So 2y minus 10 is equal to minus 5x plus 25. So from this we can write 5x plus 2y minus 35 equal to 0. This is how to find the median altitude through B. Okay, altitude through B means this is the line passing through B and perpendicular to the opposite side. That means B is perpendicular to AC. If you know the slope of AC, you can find out the slope of B. Slope of B equal to minus 1 by slope of AC. So slope of B equal to minus 5 by 2 and passing through 5 comma 5. By using the point slope formula, we can write the equation of the altitude BE. Okay. So this is the how to find median, altitude and side. The first point. So here he asked equation of the side AB, and second one equation of the median through A. In third one we find equation of the altitude through B. Okay, right. Thank you.